Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of Slackters and Test Case Studio. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming updates. Many of you have asked me this question that why Sanjay you are every time asking automation testers to take the Slackters certification program. How important it is? Are we gonna get the interview call if you will take this Slackters certification program? Is this free? And a lot more. So let me answer all these questions. Very first thing, this is absolutely free certification program. Another thing, like, are we gonna get the interview call if we will take this? So the answer is no as of now, because most of the time, like with my personal experience, this I'm telling you that uh, certification, like if we do any certification in software testing industry or development industry, they won't much help to get the interview call. You will get the interview call on the basis of your knowledge, on the basis of technical skills, what you have written on your resume or in your profile. Like you have written that you know JavaScript or Java or Selenium. So those skills, on those basis of like what framework you know, what automation, what are the skills you know. But for the like certification, I mean some certification has now values, so on they will help you. But yes, Slackters certification is reaching towards to that. But right now if you ask me like immediately that is that this has recognition in industry, immediately my answer is not much as of now. But yes, it is growing. More than 6,000 people has taken just in very short time. So yes, it will have values in future. But another, the main important purpose of this certification program is, or in fact like every certification program, the purpose of every certification program is that to improve your skill, to help you to learn new concepts, to test your skill, to test your knowledge, like how much you know about anything, any of the those concepts for which that certification is. So likewise for Selector sub certification program, this program is going to help you a lot to learn a lot of new concepts, to lots of basics of XPath and selectors. So you know like why, first of all, are selectors and XPath is so important. Yes, if you are talking about the web automation, UI automation, they have the 90 percentage weightage in web automation. You see that this is a poll where 755 votes are there, and 97 more than 70% people agree that 90% of the time web automation script fails due to locators issue. So this is really important skill, and we really need to understand that how important these selectors and XPaths are, and we will have to acquire that skill. Then there are lots of concept people get to know when the selector sub, they came to know about selector sub when selector sub launched. Before selector sub, were you are aware about the fact that Shadow DOM doesn't support XPath? So you see that more than 50% people were not aware about that, this concept that uh, Shadow DOM doesn't support XPath. So when you will take this certification program, you will get to know about these concepts, that Shadow DOM doesn't support XPath, SVG has the different format of XPath. You see that almost like 60% people gave the wrong answer. They are not aware about whether SVG support the standard format of XPath or not. So these are the data which shows that the importance of this certification program. The new concept which people learn from selectors of like SVG have different XPath, Shadow DOM doesn't support XPath, DevTools is not the right platform to verify XPath in selectors, because that gives a lot of other information as well. So you will have to segregate that. And the concept, like we used to say, like generally every most of the people say in industry that we believe that they are writing XPath without using a tool. But the fact is that everyone use a tool. There is not a single person who is writing XPath without using a tool. Everyone use a tool, which is a dev tools. Like everyone use dev tools. But the fact is that you should understand that whether you are whether DevTools is providing you the right information or not. So that you will have to understand. All these things you will learn from the Selector sub certification program automatically. There are people who are still using it, stuck to Firepath, Firebug. Why? Because they are not aware about this next generation tool. These are the feedback from the industry people, that how much it is helping their people, their team, that how much time they are saving and how much productivity, like almost 50% productivity is getting increased when they are using Selectors Hub. And this certification program will help you to learn all these concepts. On an average, like how much time you take to verify hundreds of XPath. You see that more than people answer that uh, more than 1 hour it used to take. But with the Selectors Hub new innovation, you can verify those hundreds of selectors just in few seconds. And in fact, like if you go to Stack Overflow, people are not aware about this concept. Someone has this question that can we verify hundreds of XPath? People still are not aware that that this is possible. You see the answer here, people writing that you will have to do verify XPath one by one. So still people are not aware. So when you will take this certification program, you will learn this concept that you can do this within a seconds. Likewise, there are many regions, and you see that this is a poll which shows that what certification program people has taken recently. Highest number of the people, most number of people has taken the Selectors Hub certification program, though there is ISTQB foundation level, advanced level, and other certification. Selectors Hub certification program has been taken most in a recent time. So I would request all of you to take this certification program, and you will learn, definitely will learn a lot of new concepts about XPath, selectors, myths about selectors and XPath and DevTools, where you can take this certification program. Very simple, just go to selectorshub.com website. Under here you will find the certificate tab, click on this, and this is a really simple quiz. Just fill this information and you will find really good questions over there, and that you can take, and from that you will learn a lot for sure. Let me just show you how you can take this one. After filling this information, this is a quiz, like you will see such kind of questions which will really help you a lot to test your XPath and selectors knowledge. So if you think that you are good, definitely you will enjoy this certification program. This has really good questions. Also at the same time, I will request you that please try to take all the questions very seriously, because they are really tricky. You will feel that every answer is correct, but no. And when you will score 75% or more than 75%, then only you will get the certificate. And if you score 100% in first attempt, you will get a chance to win a beautiful Selectors Hub t-shirt as well. So please take this certification program. This is going to really help you a lot to learn a lot of new concepts, myths and misconceptions about XPath, DevTools, selectors. And you will see that the really good questions are there. Does DevTools generate correct XPath for all the web elements? So you might be thinking yes, but let me tell you that it doesn't generate correct XPath for all the web elements. Like it doesn't generate right XPath for SVG elements. It generates XPath for Shadow DOM element, though it should not. So likewise, there are many good concepts which you will learn from this certification program. So please go and do take this certification program. Let others know about this really good and helpful quiz. This will really help you a lot to improve your skill. I hope you find it useful. Please like and share this video and let others know about this certification program and Selectors Hub, Test Case Studio tools. These are really helpful tools out there in the market. With that, thank you so much.